Welcome to this meditation on improving stress and bringing balance to your awareness. Begin by taking a few moments to settle into a comfortable position on the floor or in a chair. Rest your hands in your lap or on your thighs. You might like to lie down, but avoid falling asleep if you can. We want to be relaxed yet alert during meditation practice. Now, taking a deep breath in and releasing the breath. Take another deep breath in, and as you release the breath this time, allow your eyes to close. Allow the breath to settle into a natural rhythm without trying to control it in any way. Observe the flow of the breath from the beginning of each inhalation all the way through to the end of each exhalation. Notice the transition between the end of each breath into the beginning of each out-breath. Observe the slight pause between the breaths. Take a few moments to follow the flow of each breath. And now getting a sense of the weight of the body and the seat pushing into the ground. Just noticing how the ground pushes back against the body. Bring your awareness to any sounds you can hear. They may be sounds close to you or far away. Try to notice the sounds without getting attached or caught up in their backstory. All we're doing is just noticing. All the time, remaining balanced and aware. Noticing the sensations in the body now. Briefly scanning your attention from the top of your head down to your toes. Noticing any sensations in the body, and if you notice any, try to stay with the sensation for a moment and observe it as it shifts and changes. Observing the sensation without attachment as it passes and gives way to the next. And while you're noticing sensations in the body, and you're aware of sounds around you, also noticing thoughts and feelings that come into your awareness. Coming in the form of mental images, conversations, and ideas. As you sit or lie firmly planted on the ground, unchanging, like a mountain among changing weather. Allow the environment to come and go around you, appreciating the fleeting nature, the impermanence of sensation, thoughts, and feelings. Just noticing and not getting pulled away or caught up. All the time remaining balanced in your awareness. Taking a few moments now to be present in this state of awareness. And bringing your attention back to the space around you now. Noticing the weight of the body on the ground and any sounds near you. Slowly bringing a little movement back into the hands or the feet. And when you're ready, allowing your eyes to open. See if today you can bring some balanced awareness into your day. Thanks for joining us.